In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add cookie consent to Webflow. So start by opening up your design in webflow.com. Then next in the left panel, click on the apps button. And here in the search bar, simply type in cookies consent. Then click on this app. Now click on install on site. And now here you can select sites or workspaces to authorize this app. You can either select your whole workspace or just specific sites. Then click on authorize app. And once authorized, just go back to your design or website. Then once again, click on apps, then cookie consent, and press the launch button beside it, and here you can customize settings and do modifications. You can even customize the templates and its appearance. And with that, your cookie consent is now active to your site. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!